Come shop with me at Dollar Tree for the 2026 April-May shopping finds. If you're not sure what to get for your mom this Mother's Day, Dollar Tree's got you covered with ideas as soon as you walk in the doors, with frames, candles, and more. They now have these faux stones in both black and gray, and these intricate LED solar lanterns in gold and black. Some fun strawberry and pineapple drink dispensers. However, I don't believe that they are BPA-free, and just shop with caution if you are concerned. In a different Dollar Tree, I discovered that they had tons of things for the summer. What really stood out are these palm tree decor pieces for the table and the variety of the ginormous summer tumblers. And then there's these canteens that look really awesome. If you don't mind that they're not BPA-free, I refuse to buy any that are not. And it kind of bums me out because these are super cute as is. The palm tree decor pieces, I wish they came in other colors, but they only come in yellow and red. I really wish I could find some that were green, but either way, they're still pretty cool. And the silicone ice cream holders were of interest, but I did not see that they were marked as BPA-free either. In their graduation section, they have these adorable plastic cap tumblers. I love the added tassel, but these are not BPA-free. And this 2026 sign is definitely nice and sturdy if you wanted it for decor. New are these graduation wishes I didn't see last year, as well as these plastic picks and these graduation cap type designs. There's also these adorable grad caps I don't remember seeing last year either. This could be good as is or as a DIY if you want a more fun, fuzzier look, maybe replacing this material with fuzzy yarn instead. They also have these fun bubble wands this year for the summer. They've got 3 different shades for mermaids, purple, pink, and blue, and they've got the 3 different sharks in green, blue, and gray. It's perfect for me because I'm grabbing the mermaid ones for my daughter's mermaid-themed birthday party this year. In their Dollar Tree Plus section, I'd never seen before these crates from Sterilite here, and they have them in both red and blue, and they have these giant $5 trash bins too. Did you know that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my upcoming book, The Cancer Dragon? Here I'm unboxing some orders from coworkers who I'm very grateful to for supporting my mission. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. My husband bought me a shirt once that said, "I kicked cancer's ass," but because of where I work, HR would have had a hissy fit over that, so I decided to design my own. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. I never planned on designing shirts for this, but as I kept creating and finding ways to express my life story, it just happened. I thought to myself, who else might love a shirt like this? On the back, the sayings are made for slayers, warriors, supporters, and even for honoring lost warriors. May is Brain, Melanoma, and Bladder Cancer Awareness Month. Brain Cancer Awareness shirts are available in light gray shades of silver, ash, and athletic heather, and it's available in dark gray shades of dark gray heather and dark gray. With melanoma shirts available in oxblood black, vintage black, black heather, and black. With bladder cancer awareness shirts available in true royal and heather true royal. New shirts are released each month, inspired by my upcoming memoir, The Cancer Dragon, so inspire everywhere with everywhere. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. Okay, so here's the cover so far for my upcoming book. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort, despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.